So in this video I've been given free accessories for the Mini 3 Pro, and the main one was the case. Now I've done the case outside because it's quite a big case, and that's going to take your Mini 3 Pro. Hopefully all the stuff that I got here, because these are the sort of things I would put in my other bag. But if you didn't buy the fly maul kit and you just wanted to get a battery, then maybe think about getting a bag. Now this is the bag from SKYREAT. I'll just check the price. At the present moment, this case costs £35.99. Now this is on the Amazon UK site that you can order from. There's a link below in the description if you're interested. I mean, it says it's PU leather. To me, it's plastic. It's got a plastic handle. It's got a shoulder strap that you can alter. I'm not going to model it for you, but what I will do, open it up just to show you what's inside. So you got a top part there, you can put information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the stuff that I would normally have, and we'll just see if it all fits in right. So I've got my spare props, I've got my screwdriver that I would need, I've got a cleaning cloth I'll keep in there as well, I've got my ID that I always carry on me as well, and then we're going to see if we can fit the drone in. Now I've got the normal gimbal cover, and it seems just to slot in there. Nice, it's nice and secure. We then got the controller. Now obviously I've got the neck strap on it. Now I don't think that's going to go in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in, this is the other controller that you would normally have, and I just want to see how secure that is. I mean, obviously it's not the same size as so that's interesting. And then I would put in my two batteries. So there's my two batteries, and then we've got a little bit of space there to put something. And I'll just do up this for the moment, and we'll just try it with this controller first. And we're zipped up. If you notice, it's got a nice secure thing around there. I don't know if it's waterproof. I would imagine if you're out in the rain it'd be alright, but obviously you wouldn't drop that in the water. Now that what's rattling around is a controller. So it's just what I'm going to do, just to make sure that the other controller fits in there. Obviously it's not going to fit in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to take these hooks out, which to me would be a bit of a pain, because I can get all this in my other bag, which I've got the fly maul kit, so I wouldn't need to do all this. But if you didn't want to buy the fly maul kit for some reason, which is fair enough, you just bought the batteries, you have saved some money, and maybe you just want to hold it. I mean, I've always hold my controllers anyway. I think the main reason why I have the strap anyway, it's so easy for me to make videos and tutorials with the controller hanging down the front, and also I can stick my microphone on it, as you probably noticed. So anyway, here we go. That fits in nice and secure. Now I've left on the sticks. Some people remove them. I don't think you need to remove them in this box, this case I should say. So that's a little bit more, that's a lot more secure. So if you think about it that way, it's just really designed for the Mini 3 Pro with the screen on it. What I'm going to do now, if you noticed, I'll just take out this drone. The gimbal control is, the gimbal cover I should say, is from DJI, but SKYREAT actually do their own cover, and to be honest, it's a lot more easier. You just slot it on and it's like that, and will that still fit in there? That still fits in there, which is good. So that's good. And they also do a prop protector as well. And if you noticed, I've got my Mini 2 there, so the prop protector is different, guys. You won't be able to use the same prop protector from your Mini 2 with the Mini 3 Pro. I'll explain a little bit more inside. I just wanted to show you the case. So we'll just set this up a moment, if I can remember. So that goes on like that. Just clicks on there, and that goes in. I got a feeling that's not going to fit in there myself, but I might be wrong. Nope, it fits in there as well, which is good. So we can do that case up again. Just wanted to show you if all the gear fits together. So that's good to know. So that fits in there all nicely. Now just go through it again. So the propeller protector costs $13.99, and the gimbal protector costs $15.99. And that's at the present moment. It may drop down, it may go up, I can't say, but at the present moment, I'll put a date there as well, $15.99, £13.99, and you can get it on their Amazon UK site. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo how easy it is to put this on. Like I said before, it is slightly different to the Mini 2 one. So just unclip it, just take it off. So virtually, as you can see there, the two grooves there, the slots in there. Just bring it around, make sure these props are together, and clip that on. And for the gimbal cover, it's just a matter of taking it off that way. Now I don't know about you guys, even though I've done a video on it, how to put on the gimbal cover, the original one, it's such a mess. But this one, it's just like that. Do it again, take it off, I'll just put it back on. And if you notice, it's pretty secure in there as well, and also it protects the sensors at the front there. And like I said, if you haven't got the fly maul kit and you ain't got the bag, just push it in there, do it up, there you are. And like I said before, the case costs $35.99 at the moment. Just have a closer look at that. You've got that zip. But it says it's leather, well, it says it's PU leather, which to me is like a synthetic in it. I mean, to me it's plastic, and it's not solid, if you get what I mean, but it's enough to protect the drone, because when you think about it, with the what you get with the fly maul kit is the same sort of thing, really, just a padded bag. So I hope you found that useful. I want to thank SKYREAT for sending me the free accessories, and if you got any other suggestions, I've been on their site, if you want to see any more of their products, just let me know and I'll see if they can send me some. But yeah, catch you on another video. Oh yeah, don't forget the thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it.